Good morning, kids. In the last class, we learnt about Delhi Metropolitan City and Mumbai Metropolitan City. Today, we will learn about Kolkata and Chennai. First, we will discuss about Kolkata. Earlier, it was known as Calcutta. It is the capital of West Bengal state and it is located on the banks of river Hooghly. It is also known as the city of joy. Bengali is the most widely spoken language in Kolkata. Kolkata experiences warm, humid summers and heavy rainfall during monsoon season. This is the famous Howrah Bridge on the river Hooghly. Kolkata has well-developed transport system. They have trams, buses, underground metros, yellow taxis and rickshaws. They celebrate different types of festivals, but Durga Puja and Kali Puja are the most important festivals celebrated here. Then we have the sweets. The famous sweet items are Sandesh, Rasagulla, Mishti Doi, which are eaten by the people of Kolkata. These are some places of interest. Birla Planetarium, Eden Garden, Ramakrishna Mission at Bellur Math, National Library of India. Now let's talk about Chennai Metropolitan City. Earlier, it was known as Madras. It is the capital of Tamil Nadu state and it is located in the southern part of India. It is located on the Coromandel coast of Bay of Bengal. It is also known as the Detroit of India due to the presence of automobile manufacturing units and allied industries around this city. The weather in Chennai is warm and humid all through the year and it receives rainfall in winters. This is Fort St. George and it was built by British East India Company and later it became British capital in South India. Now it is functioning as the administrative building of Government of Tamil Nadu. Chennai also have well-developed transport system. They have MTC buses, that is Metropolitan Transport Corporation buses, new metro, suburban railways, and they have two important ports, Chennai port and Ennore port. Bharatnatyam and Carnatic music are very popular in Chennai. The most important festival celebrated in Chennai is Pongal festival. It is a harvest festival. These are the food items which are very popular in Chennai. They are idlis, dosa, vadas, pongal rice. These are some of the places of interest in Chennai. St. Thom Basilica Church, Gindi National Park, St. Mary's Church, Marina Beach, Kannimarar Library and Kabaleshwara Temple. Now, there is an activity for you. You have to do a seminar on the two metropolitan cities, that is Kolkata and Chennai. Now, we don't have any follow exercise for this chapter. So, let's do some exercise. You have to write all the questions and answers in your notebook with proper date. Now, the first exercise is fill in the blanks. The first one is Delhi is known as a melting pot of dash. You have to pause the video and write all the answers. Second, the Parliament House is where the dash of our country are made. Third, Mumbai is known as the dash capital of India. Fourth, Kolkata is located on the banks of river dash. Fifth, important festival of Chennai is dash. You have to pause the video and write the answers. Now, let's check the correct answer. The first one is, Delhi is known as a melting pot of cultures. Here, cultures is the correct answer. Second one, the Parliament House is where the laws of our country are made. Here, the correct answer is laws. Third, Mumbai is known as the economic capital of India. Here, economic is the correct answer. Fourth, Kolkata is located on the banks of river Hooghly. Here, Hooghly is the correct answer. Fifth one, important festival of Chennai is Pongal. The correct answer is Pongal. I hope you all have marked the answers. Now, let's do the second exercise, that is, answer the following questions. The first one is, why is Mumbai known as the city of dreams? The correct answer is, Mumbai is known as the city of dreams because it offers limitless opportunities for the Indian citizens across the states and also for people across the borders. Second question, name two places of interest in Delhi. The answer is, the two places of interest in Delhi are India Gate and the Rajghat. Third question is, why Chennai is called the Detroit of India? Answer is, Chennai is called the Detroit of India due to the presence of automobile manufacturing units and allied industries around the city. The fourth question is, what are the two major ports of Chennai? The answer is, the two major ports of Chennai are Chennai Port and Ennur Port. Fifth question is, what is the other name for Kolkata? The answer is, the other name for Kolkata is the City of Joy. That's all for today. We'll meet in the next class. Thank you.